Hi friends! It's me again, Luna the Bee. Today we're going to learn about amazing construction machines. Look at the mighty excavator with its huge bucket and powerful treads. Its massive bucket digs deep into the ground, scooping out tons of dirt. The excavator digs big holes and removes earth and rocks, helping to build buildings and roads. And here's the tall crane with its long boom and strong cables. It carefully lifts enormous loads high up into the sky using its sturdy cables. The crane helps construct tall buildings and towers by lifting construction materials up high. See the concrete mixer with its huge rotating drum? The drum spins around, mixing cement, sand, gravel, and water. The concrete mixer prepares thick concrete that is later used to make the foundations and walls of buildings. Over there is the noisy bulldozer with its powerful blade in front. It forcefully pushes aside massive piles of dirt and rocks with its steel blade. The bulldozer scoops up and moves heavy obstacles to clear space for new construction sites. This is a dump truck with its big open bed. Its bed can carry tons of construction materials. The dump truck hauls sand, gravel, and crushed stone to wherever they're needed for the next construction phase. And this is a road roller with its heavy metal rollers. Its rollers flatten and firmly compact freshly laid asphalt. The roller smooths out and flattens the newly paved road surface, making the new road even and durable. Aren't those amazing machines working at the construction site? Soon I'll tell you even more, so see you later friends.